So I just want to use this question to demonstrate why and how we divide by fractions. So if I was doing 6 divided by 3, then the question that I'm actually asking is how many 3's go into 6, and the answer is 2. So what we're actually asking with this question here is how many quarters go into a half. And if I draw a diagram, I can very easily answer that. I can see that here's a half, so a half of this shape is shaded, and 2 quarters is going to go into a half, so the answer is going to be 2. So I know that the answer to a half divided by a quarter is 2. So now what I want to think is, well, how did I get 2 by using these numbers? And actually what I did, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is why something we called KFC actually works. KFC. The K stands for keep the first fraction. The F stands for flip the second fraction. And the C stands for change the sign to the opposite one. Now we already know how to multiply fractions, so I can do 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, a fraction is division, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. So how do we divide fractions? We KFC. So let's have a look at this one. We need to do KFC. We need to keep the first fraction. We need to flip the second fraction. And we need to change the sign to the opposite one. And then I just multiply as normal. 2 times 11 is 22. 3 times 8 is 24. And I can simplify if I need to. I can here because I can divide both the top and bottom by 2. And I get 11 over 12.